Bumangon kami ng maaga kasi meron po kaming kailangan gawin mga loves, magprinta ng mga papilis kasi meron kaming appointment ngayon na dapat talaga namin puntahan at dalhin ang mga papilis. Kasi as usual last minute itong asawa ko, so yun na nga, walang choice in the Marian kundi tulong-tulungan na lang kasi nga sira yung aming printer, no? So ngayon kailangan naming lumabas at kawawa si Inday Marian naghintay kasi nga ready na ako at yung asawa ko hindi pa ready, nanigarilyo pa at ngayon pa siyang pumasok. O diba, yung tignan mo yung mukha niya. Sabi pa niya meron daw siyang nakitang bagong ink, no? Kasi itong printer na ito, kailangan ng ink mga loves. Pero kaso talaga, sabi niya, naghanap talaga siya kasi alam talagang meron. At alam naman natin na si Tami is talagang maraming gamit na hindi na namin alam kung asa na niya nalagay. So ngayon, binibaby ko siya mga loves. Sabi ko, ay nako talaga dudong Tami ha. Kahit saan-saan mo na lang ito nilalagay. So ngayon, nagprinta kami, nag-start kaso yung kulay hindi lumabas. Iwan ko na lang si Batman. So ngayon nga, no, nasira yung hindi nag-okay yung printer namin. And then, importante pa naman yung kailangan talaga namin gawin. It's always like last minute itong aking asawa. So ngayon
There's no Best Buy there.
ah?
The closest Best Buy they have is the kids in Main Street, Mohegan Lake. It's far.
Okay.
Marcel Yonkers.
So we're looking for printer. We're going to Vegas first. And that's really it. So, and plus nagmamadali kami kasi nga may appointment na naman kami to pass whatever, you know, yung mga kailangan naming i-print. And 3 o'clock plus. Busy kami habang andun yung kapatid ni Mister and yun.
Still not on this side of the bridge.
No, it's everything is in the other side. That's really far. I hope BJ's have it hand. Walmart now?
No, we'll go, if BJ doesn't have it, then we'll just go to Walmart.
Okay.
It is what it is.
Okay.
I just figured, you know, Walmart you'll be really limited to what you can get.
Printer it is. Printer it is. Oh, PHP. It's a big one, uy. You don't have a space with that. Get the small one.
Junk one.
Sometimes you think small is junk, but there are a really good working printer.
What's the difference between?
$60 different.
Not too bad. One of those days.
So I guess he is speaking this printer.
910, 910, 910.
Oh, you have to buy that too, right?
They usually just give you a limited.
Yeah, but you should buy.
I know. I'm just
So-
okay. 910.
910. How do you?
$70.
Hala, $70.
See, that's also cheap.
Itong asawa ko mga loves ba? May kumuha ng cart na ito. Mag-asawa pumasok dito, walang cart. And then ginagrab itong empty cart namin si Mister. Ang bilis naka-react. Huy, amin yan. Tawa. Pati yung tao doon nag-sell ng mga cellphone. Tawa ng tawa kasi binira nila itong aming cart. And then si Tami naman, at ito yung binili niya. So, kailangan niya ng cart talaga. Grabe yung tawa namin kasi si Tami naka-react. Huy, akin yan. Walang huy, bro. Akin yan. yung dalawang yung mag-asawa na sila, sorry. Pumasok yung iba, no? And then mangawat nag-cart, magpataka na sila. Hindi man sila magkuha ng cart nila. Kalokers. Change yung mind ni Mr. mga loves. So kayon dinagdagan. Inalis niya yung HP. Dito siya sa Epson. Kasi nga ang rason po niya yung Epson ink po mga loves is ito po yung Epson, no? Ito po yung ink nila, oh. Meron na mga color. Kung sa HP ka, mahal ang HP. At kada color, individual price. So yun. So bumili siya ng kanyang Epson. Are you sure that's the right ink for the Epson? The same number? Okay, 502. Okay, let's go out of here.
Yep.
Where are you going? I like this for the dog.
Dog, bunk bed?
And the cat would love it.
Bunk bed for the dog. For the cat, forget it. I'll take it over.
First thing first, open his. Hala. Oh, they have really extra love. Look. I wish you can return this. Can you return this? Oh. Extra. Oh, they give you. Oh, they give you. So here's your printer, Epson. Oh, you like it white? You don't care? Nagulat naman ako ng aking sister-in-law, mga loves. Oy, may dala pa talagang regalo, no? Kasi birthday ko raw kahapon. At yun, so inopen ko na. So, grabe yung smile ko dito kasi paborito ko yung binigay niya. It smells good. It's gonna fit in your, I think.
They're
The
called summer cocktails or something like that. It's like strawberry daiquiri and I don't know. They smelled really good when I smelled them.
O, diba? Ang sayan, ang laki ng smile ni Marian. Kasi guys, ang candle talaga is lalo na kapag Yankee candle, ang mas talagang, hindi ako makabili nito palagi kasi nga, pricey po siya, no? Grabe po yung price po niya. At, basta gusto ko lang yung mga candle nila, mabango, as in talagang mabango po talaga mga loves. Kasi para sa akin yung candle is dapat mga nasa $7, $5, ganon, mga 11. Ito umabot ng mga 30, 35, ganon. Why? Ano? Hello? Seriously? I don't wanna ruin it. Did I do it right?
Yeah, just
Like this? Oh. Wow, look at this. Honey, come here. This is very pretty.
it's actually a live rose.
It's a live rose?
It's a
the real,
rose,
it's
and
a
they
real one.
seal it
Oh.
in resin and then they dip it in gold.
Oh my goodness.
And it comes with
Oh,
a
there
little
is a
stand.
holder. A
Yeah,
stand.
comes the stand for it.
Can I take it out? Oh my god, I'm nervous. Hello.
I think they're really pretty.
Oh my goodness. Look, this is a real rose.
It even still has some of the thorns on it.
Oh yeah, this is really real. And this is all the authentic that they
Yeah.
did it. Wow. Oh, thank you, Is.
You're welcome.
And how you can put this up.
Just a little something.
Itong kapatid kasi ni Tami, mga loves, mahilig talaga ito sa mga ganito, yung mga hindi mo makikita basta-basta lang sa mga kahit saan-saan. Hindi ko alam, ito yung 24 karat gold po yung mga nasa dahon at saka yung stick ng rosas. So, yeah, hinomol siya or basta nilublob sa 24 karat gold, yun siya. Kaya nagulat naman si ako. So, i-display ko lang yan sa mga loves to make sure na hindi din masira ni Habs kasi si Habs talaga mahilig maglaro. At may mga papilis pa talaga siya, no? Talagang nagpamatuod jud nga kung Bisaya pa, nagmamatuod niya talagang totoong 24 karat gold at totoong rosas na buhay po. Few minutes pag-open namin sa among biniling Epson na printer, mga loves, ay ando na yung kapatid ni Tami at umalis na naman kami kasi tapos na kami nagprinta at almost 3 o'clock na. Almost late na talaga kami sa aming appointment, no? Iniwan lang namin siya doon sa bahay kasi alam nyo na, alangan mag-uban-uban siya sa amo, no? Words. So yun, natulog siya doon sa aming bahay habang pakainin pa namin yun ng dinner. So kayo nag-alala ako kung anong pakain namin. Buti na lang marami kaming mga pagkain pa sa ref, no? At yun, tara. At pagkatapos namin sa aming appointment, of course, nagluto si Mr. Nagdagdag siya ng burger at sausage yun. Tapos na yung burger, sausage naman, ang tataas talaga ng sausage nila dito sa Amerika, no? Hindi talaga pwedeng maliit. Kailangan malaki. Dito yung kapatid ni Mr. Yung bunso. Kahapon yung pinsan at sa asawa. Ngayon naman yung bunso. Nagluto ako. Hindi na ako nagluto. So, ininit ko yung leftover na king crab. And then, meron akong gawang chicken picara. Ang sarap. And then, yung steak, yung akin. Yes.
Oh, doesn't matter.
Which one you prefer?
You're such a cutie pie.
Big difference. Which one do you like
Prefer.
best?
Which one you prefer is?
You guys are too cute.
Okay. Wala. And dito ko na i-end yung vlog sa mga king baby. That's my baby. Good night, mga loves. Good night. We're gonna go to bed.
Hey guys.
We're gonna go to bed now. My sister left. And she gave me a surprise, nice birthday gift. A real roses with 24 karat gold covered, like the layering thing. The sides, every sides of it. It was really pretty. And the candle was it smells so good. Yankee Candle, honey, my favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, mahilig ako sa candle, mga loves. Yung mahilig ako kasi mahilig akong sindi-sindi ng kandila. Pasensya na kayo ha, kasi matutulog na kami, 10:30 na. And yun, matulog na kasi pagod na sila. Pagod na kami. Especially, my husband is really tired. Taking care of the paperwork. Running around. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't forget where's the receipt, ha? I'll keep it. Tomorrow, report it. Give it to me. Okay. Good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Yan lang yan siya. Bye.